It was path-breaking in many ways. 70 का experience you gave people that time. हम उस समय हॉलीवुड में बड़े बड़े वेस्टर्न्स देखते थे और ये हमारे लिए वो एक्सपीरियंस था. इट मस्ट हैव बीन एक्सट्रीमली डिफ़िकल्ट सर, क्योंकि आपका एम्बिशन प्रैक्टिकल भी होना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इट हैज़ टू मैच द एक्सपेक्टेशंस. हाउ डिड यू manage to keep dreaming bigger but also, make it happen?
It was just perseverance.
What are the most difficult
Belief
things?
in what I was doing, and the more I did it, I felt it right. The more right it felt I cannot give it up. The more I felt I cannot give it up, I pursued, and as I pursued, I started getting it back.
What were the most difficult things that went wrong at that time for you while during the making? Which almost made it seem like impossible at some point.
I think I was fighting against myself a lot, because one side of me telling me, because if a sequence that was planned for 7 days takes 23 days.
कौन सा sequence था sir?
Everything.
बाप रे.
The song मोटरसाइकिल वाला गाना था, उसमें भी 22-23 दिन लग गए. The Sanjeev Kumar scene where the family is massacred, and the same thing. उसी का weather का हुआ problem. मतलब we shot for 2 days, first 2 days it was bright sunlight. उसके बाद the clouds came in. Waited for a day, waited for a second day. Second day second afternoon I asked the cameraman, tell me, what if we shoot it in this light? This ominous kind of feeling. And then the winds pick up, the leaves start rustling, and inside him that Josh.
जी.
And then he takes off on the horse and goes there. So I just felt that this will give it a whole different feel. The emotions will still be there. All what was on paper would be achieved. But the atmospheric thing would add to it tremendously.